Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Cooking with JJ. Tonight is the first night of Sukkot, and I'm going to be making a special recipe that's perfect for sharing in the Sukkah. You'll find out some tips along the way, how you can make it fun for kids. I'm really excited to get started on this recipe, and a little secret, it's my first time making the TVP Vegan Meatballs. I'm excited to try this out for the first time and see how they turn out and do the final taste test. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! First of all, I'm mixing some veggie bouillon paste with our hot water. You'll need 1 3/4 cups worth of broth. You might want to have some extra ready to go. You want to mince up a small red onion, and mince up a few garlic cloves. Here are our spices. For our spices, I have 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, half a teaspoon poultry seasoning, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and I'll be using a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. And we have our 2 cups of dry TVP. Get some oil in your pan. Add your red onion and garlic and saute it up. I'm adding our dry TVP directly in the pan with our onion and garlic. Stir it all up. Now I'm pouring in our veggie stock. Give it a good mix. I'm adding in our spices. And the nutritional yeast. I'm adding 1 more cup of veggie stock. And I'm adding a 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce. Try not to make a mess. I got some on my white shirt, admittedly. Mix it all up. I'm adding in a tablespoon of our liquid smoke. Our heat is currently on low. I'm adding 1 more tablespoon of barbecue sauce. As you can see, the TVP has been absorbing a lot of liquid. So I'm adding 1 more cup of veggie stock. I'm going to cook this covered for 5 minutes or so. Allow your TVP mixture to cool, and then you'll pour it in a mixing bowl. Guess what you can do to make things even more fun in your Sukkah? You can set up a sandwich making station for the kids. So you can have your vegan TVP meatballs, a variety of toppings, fillings rather, some buns, and allow them to put together their own little sandwiches. It will be so much fun for them. And then they can compare notes, of course. These TVP meatballs are so versatile. You can enjoy them with pasta, or as a side, or some other dishes. Maybe you're gonna grill up some veggies. Those would work well on the side with the grilled veggies. Our TVP mixture is cool enough, so we'll start mixing the rest of the dry ingredients. I'm sprinkling in our 2 tablespoons of Bob's Red Mill egg replacer. I'm adding a half a cup of our dainty gluten-free all-purpose flour. You may want to add it gradually and see how much flour you actually need. Mix it all up evenly. Once it starts to come together, you can use your hands. Form your vegan meatballs into equal sizes. I wanted them a little bit smaller than my ice cream scoop. I'm placing our vegan meatballs in a parchment-lined baking sheet. You're welcome to just fry them up on a pan. Be mindful of your heat though. I'm brushing them with some grapeseed oil. Our oven has been preheated to 400 Fahrenheit and I'm popping them in. We'll leave them in there for about 20 minutes and I'll flip halfway through. Give them one final coat with a barbecue sauce. For spice lovers, you may like to mix in a little hot sauce or chili powder. It's that time again, everyone. It's time to try our delicious TVP Vegan Meatballs. Ah! Let's see how it turned out. Just cut it open. They're very simple, delicious. I personally would like a little more spice, a little more chili powder, but I have to be conscious of other people who I'm serving. A little bit is fine. This amount will not really have an effect on your little ones, so don't be afraid about that because of the big batch. So there you have it, everyone, another delicious recipe to add to your recipe booklets. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There's gonna be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't want to miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. If you're celebrating Sukkot, Chag Sukkot Sameach.